Hey guys, Scott Anderson Design, on our way to another job, building another waterfall, bringing in the heavy machinery. There is the one and only Scott Anderson. There he is. You've heard the stories, but now you get to see him in action. Very nice Japanese maple. Like threading a needle. Even if you think you don't have enough room to get our machine back there, don't worry. We can get it done. Scott Anderson Design.
So day one of Pond Waterfall build in Wantagh. We are building a, forget the new name for it. Off is gonna kill me. But it's a large pondless waterfall that's going into a pool. Pool was built this winter. We got to bring grade up. We got to work on creating two separate waterfalls that come together into one, into this pool, unloading everything and getting rocking and rolling. Hey, so we're here, we're starting a new job today. We actually dropped excavator off yesterday afternoon. Dump truck's here. We dumped 2 loads of soil over here to work on bringing our grade up because it's pretty low. So soil's all laying there to be run in the back. The machine is behind me, got to be unloaded. The dump truck is loaded with boulders and gravel. So I'm gonna get the machine off the truck. Pickup unloaded, the other pickup unloaded, the minivan unloaded, and rock on rolling, building this Pond Waterfall in Wantagh. Day one, we're building a large pondless waterfall. This is called the Hamptons pondless waterfall. It's going into a pool. So my pet peeve is always pool guy leaves us a plumbing line that is right underneath where we have to go. So we've got to spend time to dig it out and get it out of our way so it's not underneath the waterfall. So one of the guys is working on that, and of course we got to dig by hand because there's electric, 2 plumbing lines, and the ground wire all on the way. So that's what we're working on at the moment. Materials are in the front. I've got to run soil to fill and bring this grade up back here because it's low, and all the boulders are in the truck out front. So let's get moving.
Getting the machine unloaded, ready to get this waterfall going. Here we go. Yeah, you're good. It's good.
So this is where we're going to build. Have two spillways that spill down and cascade into one, drop into the pool. We're getting the pool guy's poly pipe out of the way and over there, so it's not underneath the feature. Then we'll start filling this in, so the machine will get out of the way. We've got our buckets with our gravel and river stone for it. Liner is laying there, underlayment, tools, supplies, all that kind of good stuff. But we gotta get this pipe out of the way, which is always the hardest part. So that's what we're working on right now, and I'm gonna start running dirt into the backyard. Got the dirt unloaded, put in the backyard. Boulders are here, gonna dump, and then start bringing them back and picking through them. No.
About to stack our first stone on this pondless waterfall. We got our boulder up, strapped in and floating in the air.
And the fabric should be
Anthony,
just don't go too far
our
forward.
stone technician, down there at the edge of the pool.
Just so it doesn't wick all the water out.
This whole area will soon be covered with all these beautiful stones. Stone is now set. The cornerstone. The most important part of any pondless waterfall build. Sets the tone for the days to come. I'm excited about this one.
I'll move it all in the water.
We usually don't drop straps in the pool. He's new. Maybe John will fall into the pool. I'd like to have that on video. I will laugh very hard. Beautiful. Beautiful. You may just see a pile of rocks, but we see a puzzle to be solved. And we will solve it. There's a science to this. It's beautiful.
End of day one. We got our plumbing issue resolved. The plumbing line is now buried out of the way. We got our soil all in, got our grade roughly cut, and we've got underlayment, liner, and the first 3 rocks set. End of day one, got our spill rock, 2 frame rocks. One is gonna come up and go that way and disappear into a spillway, and the other one's gonna come through there and disappear up there. And in the center, we've got a, back over there, we've got a big flat stone that if they did walk around on this thing, they could kind of climb and step over it. And then in the center back there, right in there, is gonna be a planting pocket for them. It's Wednesday. Well, I'm calling it Tuesday. Got our 2 shelves cut in here for the 2 layers of waterfall. We've got underlayment going down. We're gonna roll the liner back out, and then we've got a stream that's gonna come meander up this way, and another one that goes that way, and a big stone sitting in the middle as like a stepper if they wanted to kind of go into it. And hopefully today we'll get this all rocked in, and then tomorrow clean up and some lighting. This is spanning, I think, about 14 feet wide, about same distance deep. Big pooling area in the middle, stepping stones, all that kind of stuff in it. It will be finished up tomorrow. Got some transition areas to finish, that back edge back there. But this is where we made it on day 2. So here's our Pond Waterfall. This is the Amazing Waterfall. This is, I'd say, about 36 inches tall. It's actually got 2 spillways at the top, one up there, one over there, and it comes down and has a couple cooling areas, and then one big fall that drops off the face of it. So we've got a pooling area right here. And then we have a second big pool here that you could actually walk up, step on the rock, have a small pooling area there, stand on this middle area if you want to jump off that way. We've got a waterfall stream that comes out there, the second one that comes out this way. This is view from the other side. So it's got 4 lights in it. All right, so we just finished this one. It's still got to get landscaping, but it's got a couple of little plants in it. We got these couple of pooling areas in here, because we actually made that. There is a chair, so you sit your butt and your legs there and there. Back, arms, have a cocktail in there. Chair area to sit, cooling area, first fall drops in here, goes the main area, and we have this small pool waiting area over here, the second area, got a whole bunch of rocks that you can step and walk your way through this.